Welcome to our deep dive into the top 10 YouTube trends of 2023. Let's explore what's been capturing our attention and shaping the digital landscape this year. Short-form content. The popularity of short, digestible videos continues to rise. Creators are mastering the art of delivering engaging content in under a minute, keeping audiences hooked and coming back for more. Live streaming. With more people working and studying from home, live streaming has become a popular way for creators to connect with their audience in real time. From Q&As to virtual concerts, live streams are more popular than ever. Sustainability and climate change. As global awareness about climate change grows, so does the content around it. Channels dedicated to sustainable living, zero waste, and climate change education are trending. Mental health awareness. In 2023, creators are using their platforms to discuss mental health openly, breaking down stigmas and providing resources for those in need. E-commerce integration. With the rise of online shopping, more creators are integrating product links and reviews into their videos, turning YouTube into a shopping destination. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. As VR and AR technologies become more accessible, creators are leveraging these tools to provide immersive experiences for their viewers. Educational content. From DIY tutorials to in-depth lectures on complex topics, educational content is booming. Viewers are turning to YouTube to learn new skills and broaden their knowledge. Fitness and wellness. With health being a top priority, fitness and wellness channels are seeing a surge in popularity. From home workouts to meditation guides, these channels are helping viewers stay healthy. Diverse representation. Creators from all walks of life are being celebrated. This trend towards diversity and inclusivity is enriching the content landscape with a wide range of perspectives. User-generated challenges. Viral challenges continue to be a major trend, driving engagement and community participation. From dance-offs to cooking challenges, these trends are all about fun and creativity. And there you have it, the top 10 YouTube trends of 2023. These trends reflect our evolving interests and the power of digital media to connect, educate, and inspire. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of YouTube. Thanks.